Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this SKODA Octavia VRS TDI 181. We're going to plug it into the system, see what it's running first, and then it's time to hand it over to our technical team to find out what we can do for it. So after its first run, the Octavia is running 185 brake horsepower and 399 Newton meters of torque, but we can do better than that. So let's get the files sent upstairs to our technical team and find out what it does when they've had a play. So the technical team have worked their magic and we've run it on the dyno once more. It's now running at 225 brake horsepower and 454 Newton meters of torque. A phenomenal gain for this Octavia. If you're looking to get a bit more performance out of your car, give us a call on 01789 774444 or email us at info@viezu.com.